The theme at SEMA is always to build some type of vehicle that shows off your product, that has some wow factor, that's amazing, that's somewhat ridiculous. And there are definitely no shortage of those builds here at SEMA this year. So stick around today and I'll take you through a tour of some of the most amazing builds and probably some of the most ridiculous builds here at the show. You're watching American Adventure Lab, and this is the 2018 SEMA show. You could take a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle and turn it into a Jeep. That would be it. Alright, so I'm sitting here doing the edits on this and I realized that there is way too much footage to put in one video. That was one day's shooting and there's 3 more days to go, and some of those days have more footage than the first day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break this up into probably 2 or 3 more videos. So make sure you guys click that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up, and that way you'll get notified of it as soon as it comes out. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.
Monster Energy, Toyo Tires Factory Back Driver. Drop down to those 37s as well. Coming through. This is a great time right here. DJ Baldwin out of the course right there. No line, Boston already worked. Drop the camera, ladies and